Rediscovering an old favorite, Naked Heat by Urban Decay. Hello beautiful people, my name is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On my channel, I cover everything from makeup to meditation to fashion to feeling fabulous at any age. So on with the video. Okay, now I was digging through my drawers the other day and I rediscovered this. 3 or 4 years ago, it was my favorite palette. I think it's been at least 2 years since I've even opened it. The Urban Decay Naked Heat. First of all the shadows still good. And second, will I still enjoy using them today? I'm going to try. I think I'm going to start by using this color called Sauced and just doing sort of an all over the lid with that. I do have a little bit of primer on my lids. I've already done the rest of my makeup pretty much. This is a really nice neutral and it seems to be going on fine. There's no weird smell to it. It still applies very, very smoothly, very evenly. Don't really notice any difference from when I last used it. I'm going to take the liner brush now and I'm going with this Ashes, the darker color here, and just go around my lash line. Now I'm taking this sort of medium-sized semi-flat brush, and I remember one of my favorite colors was Lumber, this sort of mauve shade. I'm going in on the outer corner and sort of up into the crease and just gently tapping this color on my eyelid, going from the outer to the inner edge. It still looks beautiful. Yeah, I remember this was one of my favorite shades for a while back. I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago. Now I'm taking my small blender brush and I'm going to just take a slightly darker shimmer, Dirty Talk, and just go along right sort of above the lash line and into the crease and just kind of along the outer edges in little circular motions, kind of blended it all in. Again, this is Dirty Talk. I remember when these palettes were all the rage. And then I think I'm going to go in with Chaser, this lighter color, and start at the inner corner and just sort of work up. The thing I remember about this is how well it blends. And it still does. And then just with the large brush again, let's just take a little bit of Scorched and just lightly dust over everything and just sort of blend it all together. Scorched is a metallic with a little bit of a pinkish shimmer to it. I remember I think my daughter had like 3 of these palettes. This is the one that was my favorite because I liked the warmer tones. This is really nice. Okay, going off camera for a minute, put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. I'm pretty much ready to go out. I can't believe I just completely forgot about this palette. I guess when you get a lot of new things, you kind of leave the old ones behind. But this used to be a very favorite of mine. All of these Naked palettes, at the time it was one of the most expensive palettes I owned. I think there was something like $56 and I believe it's 12 pence. So yeah, it's not exactly cheap. The Urban Decay ones never are, but the quality is good. I thought about this when I bought 2 Urban Decay singles during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. And I thought, wonder what happened to those old palettes. Do I still have them? And I found this one and I'm so glad I did. You know, a lot of makeup I tend to throw out after 6 months to a year. Mascara, 6 months tops. Other things, foundations, generally a year. But this, I don't notice any, problem in, the case looks a little bit worn, but as far as the actual quality, I don't notice any difference from when it was brand new. I guess that says something about Urban Decay and their formulas. But the thing I remembered about this palette, it has almost no fallout. The colors are gorgeous and they blend magnificently. So I'm going to be using this again. I'm glad I rediscovered it. Naked Heat Urban Decay. Yeah, this container's pretty worn. Okay, that's my video for today. If you liked it, could you please give us a thumbs up? Is there any old brand or old palette of yours that's a favorite? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.